everyone. This is Leena Khandekar, founder and director of International Lee's Beauty and Spa Institute. As you all know, I have been doing a series called Expert Novel. And in this series, I have been taking interviews with beauty and other industry experts. The reason behind this is to understand latest trends, career opportunities in beauty, hair, makeup, and spa field, like that various other fields. So I would like to begin my today's interview with a very dynamic personality. I called her Iron Lady, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. So thank you so much, Rekha, for joining for this interview today.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Leena, inviting me for sharing my thoughts on your platform. And thanks for the new name.
Thank you so much. So I would like to introduce Rekha ji to you all. Rekha Chaudhary is the Global Wellness Ambassador for India and a social entrepreneur of non-profit organization like World Digital Detox Day, OLWE, JSWE, Mother's Touch Foundation, ZAPE Foundation, and GWD, that is Global Wellness Day. She is also the founder and managing director of One Line Wellness and Cressera Wellness, representing multiple international luxury beauty brands and services in India. Today, One Line Wellness is considered the one-stop destination for beauty and wellness solutions. This patented concept of Mother's Touch has got her global recognition with Harvard University, Johns Hopkins University, and Oxford University. That's amazing. Accepting her research on the Indian prenatal traditions, which is published and registered on the WHO platform, making her the first author on this concept on the world platform. That's so awesome. Her research based on naturopathy and Ayurveda has led her to write and publish a book, Mother's Touch, on this concept. As a global authority in the beauty, spa, and wellness industry, she has been contributing her technical and professional expertise to further enrich the industry nationally as well as internationally. Dr. Rekha is responsible for pioneering many new concepts in her industry and is called the queen of the wellness and beauty industry. Her innovative approach and quick adaptability to the latest technologies has taken the industry to new standards of excellence. Dr. Rekha Chaudhary is the first Indian in the wellness industry to be honored and awarded with the Philosophe Doctor Honoris Causa by Sorbonne University, France. Dr. Rekha Chaudhary initiated the Global Wellness Day celebration in India. Born and brought up in the remote tribal village of Maharashtra, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary has an inspiring story of transforming from a housewife of rural India to a global figure in the beauty, spa, and wellness industry. There are so many things what Rekha has achieved, and she has transformed the lives of more than 1,000 tribal and rural young men and women by providing them free of cost wellness education. That's really great. Rekha, this is really incredible. Hats off to you. And I have been seeing you since many years. You have tremendous positive energy, and the way you work for the society is marvelous. I have no words. I really don't have any words to say further. You are truly an inspiration for many. So thank you once again for this interview today. And I would like to start with my first question, which is, of course, I really want to understand a success mantra from where you get so much of energy, Rekha.
So, thanks a lot for the lovely introduction. So, listening to me, my all journey, it was like from you. I was just going back to my all this, many years back where I started. But
Yes.
let me just first answer your energy question.
Yes.
So, Lina, energy is everything is about what you think, how you behave, and what you do.
Yeah.
So, I feel like, all these things, whatever is you are doing around you or surrounded you, gives you a lot of energy.
Yeah.
When you are thinking negative, automatically you become negative. You listening to negative things, you become negative. But when you are constantly doing some other way and motivating yourself, so I feel like my energy come from motivation,
Wow.
my own motivation. I motivate always.
Yes.
I do not I do not encourage myself going in a negative thoughts, thinking anything negative, or important is that listening anything negative. That
Yeah.
doesn't mean society is giving you everything positive to you.
Yes.
But any negative news or anything surrounded you, anything happening negative with your own life, think other side and go on other angle and just look towards that incident
Yeah.
and just find out what exactly is other side of that incident, and automatically your thought process change. That's how my energy comes.
Wow. That's so awesome. And I really want to understand the success mantra of your life. How, as you have rightly mentioned, that you have this positive energy and you don't, that means you do not even see the negative energy point of view. So how do you get it? And what is the success mantra of your life, that you have achieved so many things in life, according to family point of view, according to your professional point of view, and the personal fact. So can you please
So
explain?
success mantra is, I don't think so anyone can if anyone think about that to growing in their life. So
Okay.
first of all is that is no one should think about what age they are,
Hmm.
what language they speak,
Hmm.
where they are sitting. So I mean to say, no geographical border, no global language, thought process, or that same time do not have the thought process in the mind to coming what age you are going through.
Yeah.
So if these three factor if you remove from your mind, I don't think so. No one can stop you to become a successful entrepreneur or successful social entrepreneurs. Whatever you want to achieve, whatever is your desire. So
Yes.
mine, when I started my journey,
Yeah.
so I I would say I was Beshram in the certain things.
Hmm.
That means no one could stop me thinking about my own thought process, what I want to do. Until today, I'm very much focused about what I have to do and what I want to do. That means in society there are the people, there are the you see the circumstance surrounded you, or you see the many time
Yeah.
things are happening very against you.
Hmm. Hmm.
But again, it's up to you how you are taking everything positively in your own aura.
Yes.
It's like in your thought process. If mentally you are strong, so no one can stop you achieving any success in your life. So
Yes.
I feel again, I'm telling you, I am till today is motivating myself in any circumstance, any situation, any you know difficulties.
Yes.
I do not allow myself to lose my confidence.
Yeah.
And that's what I feel the success mantra should be, having the confidence on your own,
Right.
understanding you better than word,
Yes.
and respecting you yourself than word.
Yes.
So I feel this is the, if anyone think about that, if they start respecting themselves, so success is not far away from them.
Correct. Correct. That's lovely. That's a guru kill leave, you can say, because
Yeah,
everybody is always thinking about the competition, they lose their motive, they lose their confidence. And I think if everyone starts thinking the way you are expressing yourself and the way you are expressing your success mantra, I think we must do that. We must learn this. This is, I think, Rekha, it is not easy also, right? It really takes lot of efforts.
Right. Anything first thing is that is nothing is easy in the life. Whatever you want to achieve, there will be a hurdle, and
Right.
and there will be like people who will pulling down you, or there will be the circumstance or incident with you which is going against you. But why you are expecting everything should follow accordingly what you are thinking?
Mm.
Nothing is possible. Nothing. It is not possible.
Yeah,
What you are thinking, it doesn't mean that will always follow in your path line. So
absolutely.
you have to consider all these hurdles. You have to consider all these problems, or you have to prepare your mind.
Mm.
Once you are preparing your mind, automatically you will be positive yourself, and you
Yes,
will start respecting yourself,
yes,
and you'll forget everything what world is saying. Because
yes,
if you are clear in your mind thought process, if you are clear in your way, what your path is clear for
yes.
you in your mind,
Yeah,
so once again no one can stop you.
absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much for this, Guru Killi Rekha. Now we really want to understand your journey. How means like the day you have started until date. How was it? We really want to know that.
So Lina, as I think so many of my interview has been covering about my journey,
Yeah.
started a new journey, I would say. New
Mm-hmm.
journey what I started age of 40. Coming from the village, till that time I was in the small town or small village in tribal area, but there also I was not keeping quiet. I was like completely constantly have some other desire to work for the society, some other desire to become something my own, like now creating my own identity. That
Mm-hmm.
thought process carry forward, and then age of 40 I was free,
Mm-hmm.
because that one thing where I feel that this age is beautiful, where you can take your own decision. No
Yes.
one can stop you, no one
Yeah.
can control you. So that's what I feel every woman has to understand. In fact, other way around, me becoming the successful age of 40 has become
Mm.
the inspiration for many of them,
Yeah.
because many women or many of in the society, this age
Mm.
is many places is considered as a retirement age.
Yes.
But I thought let's fulfill my desire, what I was looking forward or I was dreaming about it.
Yeah.
And that's what that village lady transformed her lifestyle or her life or her thought process towards the international entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
And today you just see that is journey where I started. I did not have the professional degree. I was
Mm.
not, after the 12th, got married and become the housewife. From there, so today I could publish my research on the world platform.
Yes.
I know, I was invited by the Harvard, John Hopkins, and Oxford University. WHO can register my research.
Yes.
So that means every woman has something hidden talent.
Yes.
Each woman, I don't say Rekha is a great or I'm great person because I did so and so. I feel every woman has this.
Yeah.
Only and only one thing is lacking in her and me. I could find or
Mm.
I could discover
Mm.
myself within me.
Mm.
And that's what I feel, there is a gap, or there is a, I feel, bridge to be between the woman who is thinking she can't do anything, and where I thought this is the age, let me discover myself,
Yes.
let me complete my desire.
Yes.
And that's what that journey started, from housewife till the metropolitan city, from metropolitan to international platform.
Mm.
I started my career with the brand, international brand Remilior for the
Mm.
skincare. Today is also this brand is well known and well accepted by the salon owners and spa owners, and very good brand which is till today is doing rocking in the market.
Yes.
And apart from that, then I started slowly discovering, taking the more and more brand, because I was able to perform very good report on this product line, and that's what discovery started about the wellness industry.
Yeah.
Then I started my spa in 2009, 2010 I started my spa. Before that, I was invited by the Global Wellness Summit on the world platform. And this summit is only and only invitation from the worldwide for the world leaders who are topper in that industry. They are the only people are invited for this summit, and I was the first one to invited by this summit. And of course, then after that, journey was constantly going on, because I had already performed, or I was already able to do the successful job in India about the wellness and well-being lifestyle. And I have taken the patents, few patents before going to the summit, and I was invited to talk on the table talk about how to take patents on the treatments. And that was the talk which I delivered as a table talk I delivered. And there I got more confidence again. That is, I got to know I was again first one to take the patents on the in the industry in India. And journey has keep on going on. But this concept is also again the one of the new door in the wellness industry, postpartum care. And that is also my life, which is I led in the village, because I always had a believe in me. And when I opened this spa in 2010, so my interview was about wellness is not the new, or spa spa industry is not new in India, because ancient period we already had this culture in India. Only with the time, because of the scientific evidence was not there with this actions, whatever was taking naturally, how you can recover, or naturally how you can take care of yourself. This thought process was already existing in India. So when I opened my spa was based on the Shola Shringar concept. The 16 Shringar concept was already existing, and it was a beautiful concept, was gifted by our ancients. So that means spa industry was not new to me, because I am coming from the village. When I delivered my baby 33 years back, so my mother had given me stone therapy, means sand therapy, hot sand therapy. That hot sand therapy laid down me to deliver the treatments those days in the tribal area, community program, where I was giving the sand therapy with the stones. When I came to Bombay, and when I started my spa, and that time when I launched my stone therapy, so I was like, I was also amazed to see this kind of things are already existing on the world platform. So that means village to global. What is my theme today? What I talk about, through the GF Foundation. So village to global means connectivity. You just say the connectivity where is in the world platform, and same time in the villages also. That having the good health, or having the good lifestyle, healthy lifestyle. Somewhere something is connected. That means somewhere some culture is connecting with each other. And that's what I always talk. I always say that is because, spa industry or wellness industry started from east to west, where, you see the India, China, and then going to the Europe. So whole foundation is based on this. So my journey, I would say, from village to global has really helped me. And I'm able to rediscover, or I'm able to bring new initiatives or something like that, because my foundation is very, very strong in the villages. What I lead, the healthy lifestyle, or our eating pattern, or or the living pattern. So that is what I connected with the modern society, because I'm living in the glamorous world also. So it just happened to connect breeze between both, yes, so both the lifestyle, and that's how new discovery is happening on and off.
So that's so inspiring, Rekha, and I'm sure every person watching this video must now have got strong guidelines and how one can achieve success in life. And a girl who lived in village, then she came to metro city, and she has been recognized now. Now she has been recognized worldwide. This is amazing journey, and I'm sure it is really, really inspiring to those who are in this field, who wants to grow, who wants to succeed in their life. I think this is really positive sign and the inspiration. Thank you so much, Rekha, for all this information, and I'm sure there is so much to take away, so many things that we can learn from your experience.
Right.
Thank you once again. So I have one more question, Rekha. What is one-line wellness? I'm really excited to know about it.
So one line wellness is if you'll see the tagline of the one line wellness, simplicity platform.
Okay.
So Lina, because I know that is I have been serving in the industry, and I am connected to all the top salons, all the top spas, five-star hotels. They all of us our customers, right? So
Yeah.
when it comes to the individual person as an individual entrepreneurs,
Yeah.
so individual entrepreneur, because you will see the one side is a corporate world, other side is the individual entrepreneurs. When corporate world working in this industry, so they have the full setup. They have the supporting channels. They have the
Yeah.
complete structure, proper structure, where they get each and every support from their employees, and then that becomes the organization. Organization is serving. But when it comes to the individual player, so individual player has a lot of challenges, as an individual entrepreneur. So, including suppose they have to open the salon. So not only just including the making of the setup ready, but same time they have the challenge how they can, which product they have to go, what kind of menu card they have to design, what kind of content they have to write, what kind of marketing merchandising they have to do. So many things are there which which is challenge for them.
Correct.
So simplicity platform is designed for that, including from the individual owners, individual personality who wants to start or enter in this business, or they are in this business, and they want to do something different. So supporting that kind of entrepreneurs till from there to all the chain of salons, all the corporate salons. So that is a simplicity platform where you are entering, and your worry we are giving a simple platform where you get each and everything.
Yeah.
So when you're entering with us, so yes, we have all these good luxury brands, very good brands, which is used in the hotels, Taj hotels, from Taj hotels to many hotels, right?
Yes.
And then individual salons also, and chain of salons also.
Yeah.
So my motto is that, because my motto is it's my own journey, own journey. When I was struggling, and I wanted to create something, my own identity. So I see a lot of challenges as an individual entrepreneur face, and that all these challenges as an entrepreneurs you will get solved on our platform. That is the intention about the one line wellness.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's super. That's superb. And I think that is a need of a market nowadays, because many of us are really wanting to start something new, but somehow if someone doesn't have a business background, they really get stuck somewhere. And it's not like, people who are coming into or people who wants to do a business, everyone cannot be from a MBA background. So whenever such platform is available, I think it is a ready-made plate in front of you, whereas in you are providing those services, and it is easy for us to then operate. You must be giving some trainings as well, right? How to operate.
Just once they become everyone has to register on the platform. Once they register on our platform, they will get each lot many information. And of course, every Friday we have the training session for the entrepreneurs. So
Okay.
anyone can join and anyone can learn from us how to explore. So
Yeah.
for example, we have like, in 48 hours, you can open up your salon with the new menu card
Yes.
in 48 hours,
Wow.
including merchandising, including CDU, including your menu card, including your marketing structure. Everything is available on that. So
Okay.
if you go on the platform and you see that is, for the individual platform, there are the, like, are you individual players or are you corporate players? So all these questions are there. You can definitely visit on www.onelinewellness.com. When you are typing that time, also be sure that is it should be one line, not online. So
Yes.
many people are doing the mistake in that online and one line.
Yeah.
So one wellness is like, once you enter, register yourself, and you will get the on and off information from us. You will get on and off, like, weekly deals, monthly deals, all the deals. And apart from that, as an
Correct.
individual player, what you need, all the information you will be getting.
Yes.
And sometimes like, training also, digital training, you will see we were the first one as lockdown. That time we were the first one, we started supporting our partners. And I have like created so many conducted so many trainings for our partners. Apart from that, we are also starting the LMS platforms. If someone has an academy players, they want to start the online academy. So they will get the ready platform from us, because designing this kind of platform is very expensive. Top of that, no one has the idea how to run, how to manage and all. And today is a digital, you see the many of them has accepted now. And in fact, thanks to COVID, not in other way around, but this way, at least, you become the digital savvy, you become the technology savvy. At least little bit you guys, like, everyone as entrepreneurs are started looking towards to that. Because when I launched this platform 2 years back, that time it was, people were not understanding, and they said, oh, we have come on the online, so we will be selling everywhere. But it is not true, because One Line Wellness is designed for these salons and spa owners, support them and encourage them and help them for the growing their business. So when we are dealing through only our distributors, and you can directly come here, you can enroll yourself, and you can buy product from us, or you can take the education from us. Top of that, if you want to open your academy, so we will help you for the opening of your academy on your name, as like, renting the room. Similar, you will get the renting the platform where you can take on the rent, and you can open up your academy. So isn't it sounding very good?
Absolutely.
Like, as an entrepreneur, when you want to open your salon, in 48 hours you can open up your salon with our product range. And just because there are a lot many companies in the market who are just providing the products, like, right? But I never believed. Always when I started, I used to always say, I'm giving the concept, not products. Because several product lines are in the market. But what is the support? So simple, 3 pen each owner has. One is that is therapist, attrition. Therapists are just, giving the job for some other reason. Second is training. And third is marketing. These are the three challenges any entrepreneur has. And these are the 3 challenges we are solving. We are coming in the picture, we are solving these 3 challenges for you. So we are doing marketing for you. We are doing, like, if you use the products, we are marketing you everywhere. If your therapists are leaving, don't worry about that, because our platform is so well designed. Anyone is joining to you next day, they can easily just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps they have to follow. Because product lines are designed accordingly. Simply they can deliver the treatments. So these are the things which,
That's really wonderful. Means it's kind of a spoon feeding, Rekha. Means, absolutely a strategy already you have designed, and you will deliver that strategy as per the requirement of the second party, or the party whom wants to start their salon or a setup or a business. And even you are providing manpower. So I think, or kya chahiye? Means, like, it is something like, I would rather say it is spoon feeding. and definitely it will help us because it's saving our lot of time. It's saving money and it's saving energy because everyone may not have idea how to start or how to how to design our setup, and that is what I think you are providing, if I am not
For
wrong.
example, no, Lina, now you see the after the COVID, many salons are not able to offer the
Yes.
facial.
Yes.
So what we did is do yourself facial kits.
Hmm.
But that will go through you only. We are not going to directly sell. That will go through you.
Hmm.
You are the person who is selling to your customers. And
Yes.
another way, like when someone where you are now in the field, when you are giving the facial, so you always suggest the client, please take the home care
Hmm.
because it's always supportive, and you can't just expect after 1 month you will come and again you will be like expecting same skin. So
Correct.
you need to take care of your skin every day.
Yes.
And when you are coming to take care of every day, that means you need to use the proper home care, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
So here we come in the picture. We are giving you do yourself kit is that is single, like 3-step facial treatments they can do at home. When
Hmm.
they are coming, that means when they are coming next time to you, so
Hmm.
they are coming with the good skin, where enhancing skin again you will do
Hmm.
the next treatment on them.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now situation has come like that where they are not coming to you for the facial, so sell that treatment to them.
Hmm.
When you want to when you want to, like many salons has the thought process, oh, when we are selling this they will not come back to you. No,
Hmm.
you should not think about that. In fact, you are taking care of their skin, they are building up more confidence with you, and they will be coming again for the next treatment because we have the variety of the treatment. This is
Hmm.
just the basic treatment which you have to sell, but advanced treatment they have to come to you.
Correct.
And both way you are earning, offering the treatment, the same amount you are earning where you are selling that treatment.
Yes.
So it is always there. We are actually reducing your headache.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly. Yeah, and it's going hand in hand. We are treating with professional services and we are giving home care because that is nowadays
right,
mandatory as per our lifestyle. We really have to maintain our skin and hair. It's not a one-time job. You go to a salon, get your straightening done, and your job is done. No, after that, post care is there. Same like facials. We really have to
right.
maintain our skin. So that is amazing, Rekha. So many verticals you are absolutely working in. And with this power, I really want to ask you one very important question. As per this COVID situation, you know that how the market condition is, and we are still thinking when it will arise again and when it will come back
Right.
to normal. But of course, it is going to take some time. But you know that as we also have discussed many a times in our meetings, that people are closing their salons because they are unable to pay rent. Many of them have shifted from their salon setup. Now they have started operating it from home. Many of them are planning to start now home services.
Right.
So somewhere they have, kind of discouragement or kind of low feeling is there inside them. And
Right.
what would you really like to advise them? How they can keep confidence alive? How they can again stand confidently on their feet, and how they can grow their business? Because getting customer is a biggest challenge in these days nowadays.
Right.
Yeah.
So, Lina, this is very important because as an individual player or corporate players, everyone is suffering today due to the, though we have opened up, but still customers are not coming. That means what is the situation all of us has to accept. But we should not sit and cry for that situation. We
Hmm.
have to do something strategically, restructuring our own pattern.
Yeah.
That's very, very important. When it comes to the restructuring, that means first, what your customers,
Hmm.
you yourself, both has gone one step ahead. That is called the technology-based digitalization,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So you, all of us, when you know it's a good step. When you are
Hmm.
already entered there, you are using
Hmm.
Instagram, you are using Facebook, you are doing
Hmm.
lot many things you are doing today.
Yeah.
Zoom call and all everything everyone is doing. So why can't you utilize this technology in your business?
Hmm.
First thing that.
Yeah.
So how you will utilize? first restructurize your whole pattern, what you are doing.
Hmm.
All the customers are looking forward to have the solution from you.
Yes.
So first, start the proper consulting patterns
Hmm.
and start focusing more on the retailing.
Yeah.
That will give you the more business.
Hmm.
Retailing will is the future for your salon or spa. You have to focus more.
Absolutely.
In fact, Lina, we will be the first one. We are bringing one of the biggest new concept that I will surely tell you in the next interview, and you will specially take the interview for that. I
Wow.
know, because that is a new something concept which we are bringing in the retail.
Okay.
Retail is the future. No one should ignore. Everyone has to concentrate on that.
Hmm.
That means when it coming to the retail, so you have to structurize, you have to properly rebuild your team.
Hmm.
And you yourself has to get educated first.
Absolutely.
As I told you, do your self keep, remove from your mind, customer will take and they will not come back. No,
Hmm.
they will come back. So you have to remove all this fear from your mind first
Hmm.
and focus. When fear goes, that mind get empty, and then that place take in the positive thought process, as I told you earlier also,
Yes.
like how you have to each and every
Hmm.
situation becomes the opportunity for you. You have to convert that in the positive direction.
Yes.
That's you. You have to do it. No one will come. You have to do it. So that means you have to change your thought process. You have to go on other angle and sit and see now how I can use this situation.
Hmm.
So one thing is that retailing is the future. Everyone has to start working on that. Second is product like us, not expensive.
Hmm.
You know, like the biggest brand started giving the EMI
Yes.
on the products, on the using the product, and break that your 50,000 they convert. You know, 2 days back I was just talking about the Dyson guy. He said, "Madam, you can take it in the EMI only in the 4,000 rupees per month. Like 8 to 12 months you can take this one." Means see how they are breaking this.
Correct.
So why can't you break your products pricing?
Absolutely.
Product pricing breaking, that means they are using several of the products. ये try करो, वो try करो. So where you have to tell them, use these products. Is quantity of these products are very less.
Yes.
Suppose you are using Laminar or Fitomer or B-Lab. Quantity of these products are very less. That means you are almost saving your 1 month ka expense teacher
Yes.
on this product line when you are spending one time these products, right?
Absolutely.
So you have to think that point of view. You have to convert your customers properly.
Hmm.
Counseling is most important.
Yes.
You know how you do the counseling is very important.
Hmm.
Top of that, in your salon, when someone is coming, now you are offering them hair services, but you don't have the skin services. That means you will completely ignore that. No, you have to have your wall is speaking about that. Your first front desk is talking about that. Your sitting area, chair base, wherever they are sitting, that area is talking about that. And we have launched the chair based services also. So when person is coming for the hair, so same time how you can utilize that person time converting in another treatments. That is also important. If they are doing pedicure, manicure, so we have the quick services.
Yeah.
But this quick services is also offering the immediate result.
Yes.
Chair-based services till today, why it was not successful? A, because client do not want constantly someone is coming, applying something, again washing, again applying, again removing, again applying, again removing. That on and off interaction with their skin, client do not like.
Correct.
Second thing, when they take this type of chairs-based services, they don't see the result what they are saying in the facial room.
Yes.
And third thing, they don't know you have this kind of treatments. These are the three things which is lacking. What we did, we have designed the nice CDU, which is talking on about the treatments, chair-based services. So that you keep in your each and every hair area.
Yeah.
Your TV, you have to run constantly this advertise how we are offering these chair-based services. Second, on and off interaction with the skin, we have eliminated that.
Mm.
Only and only with the two steps, you can completely do the facial
Yes.
in the two step.
Mm.
Third, result what they were getting in the room, they will get much more higher result on this chair-based services.
Mm. Mm.
So these are the three, what were the negative point we have converted into positively. So customers started like salons like Juice and Be Blunt and all, they started offering this kind of services, chair-based services. So this is the future. This is the future, and you have to accept this future, and you have to start restructuring your own premises. How each and every area you can offer this kind of services.
Right.
Apart from that, you have to start reworking again how you can approach the customer. So these are the things which you have to think. You have to start telling customers.
Correct.
Till the time customer is not coming to you, start retailing, focus more on that. When customer is coming inside, start focusing on the chair-based services. Apart from that, we have the disinfected products, which is called the nanotechnology based nano self-disinfected.
Okay.
So difference between this is that is nanotechnology based disinfect, which is more is the future, because not only coronavirus, there are lot many fungus related things are there. Apart from you can sell this, retail these products also, because Bombay, Pune weather is like that, where you get a fungus easily in the cupboard, on your clothes, on your leather, everywhere.
Yes.
So these are the things which you can easily eliminate with this self-disinfect.
Absolutely.
Coronavirus is also, of course, self-disinfect and disinfect is a huge difference, because self-disinfect is based on the nanotechnology. So when you start using yourself and retailing, so this will generate the revenue for you.
Yeah. That's fantastic.
Then lifestyle management advice to the customer. Where you will get the answer from us. Your engagement on our platform is most important.
Yes.
You have to visit on and off, because we are on and off. We are launching one by one solution for you.
Wow.
We are offering you so many things. Weekly offer, monthly offer, education, webinars. So you can constantly get engagement with us. I don't think so. None of any brand or none of the product company can do this, because it needs proper structure where we have come with you. That's why this simplicity platform is useful to you.
Yes, that's fantastic. And I'm sure it is really, really helpful, because we have experienced it. I myself have seen it, and we also have recommended it to my clients and students, and they are using it. So we are pretty much confident about the product line which you have rightly mentioned. And I'm sure the way Rekha ji has given us advice on how you can convert your strategies, how you can design or restructure your strategies for future business, because at least another year or so, we really have to work on it, because we really have to we really have to tend to get that habit of giving retail products to our clients, as in they can also come and take the professional services, as well as they can focus more on home care services as well. So thank you so much, Rekha, for this lovely answer, and I'm sure this advice will help us a lot. Rekha, my one more question, last but not the least, how the way generally the ladies, they have responsibilities where they have to manage household work as well as work. How to balance it? How do you do this? And can you please give us one more mantra for this, so everybody can try and adopt it? I know so you're exercising, you're paying a lot of attention to your health as well. So you are an ambassador, global wellness ambassador as well. So I really want to know that.
So important point what you said again. This is like related with the health. If your body is fit, your mind is fit. Your mind is fit, so you can think about the various aspect what you can deliver. And we always say woman is multitasking. She has a strength to do lot many things. But how you can structurize that is important, right? So what is important is that is whatever talent you have or whatever skill you have, that skill first you start believing yourself. You have to believe. Forget about the world. You have to believe. You have to say, I am better in this skill and I can deliver the things. First, that confidence, bringing in within you is important. Top of that, how to manage that concept delivering and your personal life, so you are better master than anyone else.
Yes.
Because you know how to convince your husband, you know how to talk to your family. You have to remove the fear from your body, mind first.
Correct.
If I'm asking them whether they will say yes or no, consider that they will always say no to you. Only few families or few places husbands are cooperative. They are ready to help you, or they are showing confidence on you, but not every places. So you consider that no, you have it, yes, you will get it.
Yes.
So that no, don't run behind the no, but you know that yes, you will get it. So think about that.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Right.
Yeah,
So
that's super.
managing both life is and you can do it. For example, when I started my journey, so women in the villages, they used to sleep in the afternoon. I converted that sleeping time for myself and I started using that, because that was the only period which was for me, I knew. And when today I am in I am in the next step of my journey or next step of my life, where I am working nationally and internationally. So I know what kind of I'm into certain product designing now for the Mother's Touch. So I know that morning time is creative time for me. Early morning, I wake up early morning. I do that things. I finish that, and then I go for my regular routine.
Right.
So these are the things which will keep on, giving you opportunity to search your own corners.
Correct.
Your own corners of time. There you sit and do your things.
Yes.
Right. So in the time frame, you will see somewhere is that corner is there where you want to do your desired things, and you can do it.
Right. Lovely. That's superb. That's really, really awesome advice. And I'm sure if we follow this, I think there is a success mantra where you really have to have this balance of your mind and body, have those positive thoughts, have faith in you, have this confidence in you. And that is what Rekha ji has given us a very good advice, whereas it we can just believe in yourself. And that's really a proud moment for all of us, Rekha, that you really have created a very good platform for all the women entrepreneurs here, and also have boosted their confidence to grow their business, because it is not easy. A girl who lived in a village came to a metro city. She has expanded her wings, working nationally as well as internationally, having a social services, also having lots of doing lots of social activities and helping each one of them. So it is something really very motivating. There is lot of learnings from you, Rekha, in today's interview, and I'm sure everybody, whoever will watch this video, will be amazed, and definitely there is so much takeaway. We will really follow this. And thank you so much, Rekha, for all your advice. I really had a wonderful time with you, and I'm sure all the viewers watching this live must have got very good guidelines. And thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. And any further information they want, they can definitely visit the www.onlinewellness.com and www.rekhachaudhary.com. So they will get more and more information about both. and any day, any time, anywhere, you can change your life.
Absolutely, and absolutely. See, while going also, she is just giving us guidelines, and this is why we always say, Rekha, you are an iron lady. I have given that name to her. She is an iron lady with strong mindset, and really, please pay attention to yourself, because Corona has taught us a lot. So pay attention to yourself. Take good care of your body. Do exercise, have good food, and sleep well.
Keep
Drink
yourself
lots of
happy
water. Yes.
and keep yourself happy in any circumstance.
Yeah, that is very important. That is very important. And thank you once again,
Thank
Rekha.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You all are amazing. Stay tuned with us for the next interview coming soon, and take good care of yourself. If you have any questions, queries, you can always send us on the details given below. Please like, comment, and share this video. And thank you once again, Rekha. Love you so much.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Take care.